semicircles and some distance is given, so we need to highlight that portion also. We will have two hidden lines only, 10 mm from here and 55 mm from the another first hidden line to second hidden line. How we can draw this? 10 mm from here and 55 from the second hidden line. Just mark simple hidden lines and your view is ready. Now give the dimensions. Give proper dimensioning. It has been clearly mentioned that you need to give the dimensions with use of the unidirectional method only. So if it is specified, then you need to give the dimension as per the unidirectional method only. No other method will be entertained. This is 15 mm. Make proper close field arrows also. Diameter 30. Give diameter dimensions like this. And give radius dimensions like this. The diameter dimension should cover full circle and the radius dimension will cover the radius only. So this is the elevation. Mention below the view the name of the view, which is elevation. Now the next view. The next view is plan. Take the projections of it. First of all, so that you can get the maximum width dimension by default. Again, take 15 mm reference point and draw 130 mm line, which is obtained automatically from the projections itself. Now this total dimension is given as, width is given as 50 mm. So we need to draw this 50 mm line. Join with the darker line only. In the plan, take these projections, make it darker. Again, take the projections of this tangent rib and make the center lines too. take the dimension of this rib, take the projection, take the projection. Now the rib dimension is given as 10 mm, hence from the projection it would be 10 mm. Likewise, as it is tangent, you should end the line like this. This inner circle would be shown in the hidden line. This inner circle would be shown in the hidden line. Now about these hidden lines. Over here, as you can see in the problem, one groove is given. The groove dimensions are clearly mentioned. The total thickness or diameter is 15 mm. So we need to take a center line of this 50 mm. Draw a center line. Mark the projections. I have clearly marked the projections. Now the total thickness is given as 15 mm, which means that 7.5 radius to be taken. So we should take 7.5 semicircle. On both the sides. Semicircles like this. Join both these semicircles with a straight line. Join this semicircle with this straight line, and this is how you can draw your top view. Now we should give the dimensions, remaining dimensions. We don't have this height of 50 mm. We didn't have this total thickness of 15 mm. We don't have this center point distance. Which is 45 mm. Name the projections. It is plan. So this is how you can draw elevation and plan. we'll see the next problem. The next problem is about hexagonal plane or projections of plane. In the problem, it has been given that we need to draw a hexagonal plane of 30 mm side resting on HP and inclined 30 degree to VP, and inclination to HP is 45 degrees. We need to draw the projections of this plane. First of all, as you all know that projection of plane would be consisting of the three stages. In the stage 1, we'll do the initial position. Initial position is hexagon which is resting on HP. So our side is given as 30 mm, hence we'll draw a 30 mm horizontal line. Then that inner angle would be 60 degrees, so we will draw 60 degree angles. Again, on this side also 60 degrees angle. On another side also we will get 60 degrees angle. So this is how we can draw our hexagonal plane. Side would be 30 mm each. As you can see, all the sides are of 30 mm. Name it A, B, C, D, E and F. Take projections of it to the XY line. Name it as dash, B dash, F dash, C dash, E dash and D dash. So this is how you can draw a hexagonal plane. So that is the end of paper solution of December 2013 engineering drawing. Thank you very much. See you soon.